Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we're back with another K-Solo review, and this one is by Glass Watch Faces, right? And the name of the watch face is called Glass Ion. Very different look, very unique, and as you can see, the steps are blinking and also the battery life is blinking as well. You do get info on your steps. Again, I haven't been anywhere today, and you also get information on miles walked around, right, which is pretty cool, and then you get a digital time, right? So let's take a look around. So I'm liking the design because again, it's different. It's a different type of look other than what we're used to, right? So if I double tap down at the bottom, I can customize the look of the theme of this watch. Just double tap, cycle through all of them, and it has quite a few that it gives. Not a bad looking watch face. Same thing, if I tap on the time, I can cycle through a few of the different watch faces that this watch face has to offer. And of course, it's interactive, so if I tap on the steps, I can go in and get my steps. Also, if I tap on the battery life, I can get my info on how much battery that I have left. To check here, I can go in, I can set an event, look at an event. So this isn't a bad look. Different, but not a bad look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this solo review. What did you think? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Take your time, right? And subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And with that, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.